where you will find fuse spurs in UK homes. Hello, I'm Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services. Today I'm talking about something you see all over the UK's homes and businesses but rarely notice. Fused spurs. What are they and where will you find them? In the UK, wiring, fuse spurs are everywhere because of our ring circuit designs. They give you localised isolation and the right fuse for the appliance. And they help us comply with BS 7671 wiring regulations. So let's run through the most common places you'll see them. First, kitchens and utility rooms. Built-in appliances like dishwashers, washing machines, tumble dryers, integrated fridge freezers are usually connected via a switched fused spur above the worktop or a nearby cupboard. Behind the unit there will be a flex outlet feeding the appliance. That means you can isolate it for maintenance without dragging the whole machine out. For example, a 13 amp switch fuse spur might power your dishwasher, but the actual fuse inside could be, say, 5 amps, matched to the appliance ratings. Next, heating and hot water systems. Gas boilers are typically fed from a 13 amp double pole switch fuse spur. That gives a single clear isolation point for both the boiler and its controls. Immersion heaters might be on a dedicated circuit, but their timers and controls are often supplied via a fused spur. Electric radiators, panel heaters and underfloor heating are usually each on their own spur, fused between 3 and 13 amps to suit the load. In bathrooms and other wet areas, you'll often see heated towel rails or electric heaters hardwired via fused spurs outside the main zones, because 13 amp sockets are restricted there. This keeps things safe, compliant and properly protected. Extractor fans. Commonly on a 3 amp fused spur, off the lighting circuit for extra protection and easy isolation. Outdoor and security lighting often runs from an internal fuse spur, so you can control and protect it from indoors. Then you've got always on or critical equipment, alarm panels, doorbells, some computer routers, some smart home hubs. These are often on unswitched fuse spurs, so they can't be turned off accidentally, but still have correct fuse protection. Same idea for some freezers, medical fridges, CCTV and network gear in more professional setups. We want to avoid accidental disconnection, protect the cable and keep the installation neat and permanent. If you'd like a professional check on your fuse spurs or need new ones installed safely, I'm Karen from Bright Spark Electrical Services. Visit us at our website brightsparkelectrician.co.uk, and if you've got any questions, email, telephone us or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. I trust that this video has been of help and interest to you. Please like and subscribe to our video channel, and also hit that little notification bell so that you are notified the next time we record another video. If you'd like further information, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with us.